I'm so excited to be in the classroom, meet my students.
Excited to start their teaching careers. These new educators are part of LEAP, the Lowcountry Educator Alternative Program. After making a career change, they're ready and eager to step into the classroom as full-time teachers this school year.
I'm very excited to meet my students and start teaching. I have a teaching background. I subbed for a bit and I did environmental education throughout my time in college, so I'm very excited to get in there, start teaching the content. Science has always been my favorite subject. That's always what I gravitated towards in school. So I'm just very excited to share my love of the subject and start prompting students to ask questions and create hypotheses in their own lives.
I'm mostly really excited about getting into the content. I've spoken about the content with pretty much anyone who would listen throughout my entire life. Even when I wasn't a teacher, even when I wasn't getting paid for it, but now it's just the best of both worlds. Bottom line, I just love sharing my love with history with other people as much as I can. And now that I get to do it as a job, even better.
The 3-day LEAP summer session is providing the new teachers with the tools and training they need to succeed in the classroom.
We're working on some of the technology so that they feel comfortable when they go in on that first day to be able to connect to the boards, to be able to make some presentations, to be able to get into all of the district technology that they need. And then tomorrow we'll be focusing on things like lesson planning and how you structure a lesson and practice actually creating some of those. And then yesterday we focused mainly on classroom management. We talked about some different strategies and what they can expect.
During the sessions, the teachers are asking questions and discussing skills and strategies they'll be using in the classroom.
The big one is classroom management. As a sub, I had a little bit of practice, but this session has really helped hone in my skills on specific strategies to do in more niche situations. So especially with the middle school age group, things like communicating with parents. As a sub, you don't really communicate with parents, so that will be very helpful.
Now in its second year, LEAP continues to grow, and there's about 15 teachers participating in the program.
My one piece of advice is that we are all learning as we go, and that includes veteran teachers, that includes myself. So what I really want is for people to try things and to reflect and then make adjustments from there, but know that we are all learning as we go, and they will continue to get better and better at this as they go through their profession.
LEAP is a 3-year program, and by the end, teachers will be fully certified professional educators.
Okay.
For the Beaufort County School District,
that gives me a good
Ron
idea.
Lopes.
So the first thing you're going to do is